living in the moment, and here we are dreaming in the open. Now look around, isn't this a new day? Make a move, doing things a new way, a new way. 'Cause this is our world, and this is our time. These are our plans, we're gonna let them shine. This is our place in the human race, and we won't stop dreaming. No, we won't stop dreaming. Look ahead, we can see forever. You and me doing it together. Light it up, we can be a million stars. Look at us, don't you see we've come so far? Yeah, we've come so far. 'Cause this is our world, and this is our time, and these are our plans, we're gonna let them shine. This is our place in the human race, and we won't stop dreaming. No, we won't stop dreaming. Standing at the crossroads, feeling how the wind blows, we can soar above the clouds. Every moment is a heartbeat, and every breath feeling so sweet. And who can say what happens now? 'Cause this is our world, this is our time, these are our plans, we're gonna let them shine. This is our place in the human race, and we won't stop dreaming. No, we won't stop dreaming. This is our world, and this is our time, and these are our plans, we're gonna let them shine. This is our place in the human race, and we won't stop dreaming. No, we won't stop dreaming. We won't stop dreaming.
about to start.
If you're gonna sit on this level, you gotta stand it. Okay.
Good morning. Thank you for joining us for the University of Houston College of Pharmacy Class of 22 commencement ceremony. Leading the procession for this year's candidates are members of the college's class of 1972, a group we proudly call our Golden Cougars. At this time, please silence your cell phones and take your seat. The ceremony will begin shortly. Thank you.
morning. As the commencement marshal, I declare that the 2022 commencement ceremony of the University of Houston College of Pharmacy is now in session. We will begin with the playing of the national anthem. Please rise as you are able and remove your hats. I recognize Dr. F. Lamar Pritchett, Dean of the College of Pharmacy, who will preside at this ceremony. Dean Pritchett.
Thank you, Dr. Williams. Everyone, please be seated. It is with great pleasure that I welcome you, the class of 2022, to the 72nd Commencement Ceremonies Week of the University of Houston College of Pharmacy. 72 years ago, the first 41 graduates from the University of Houston College of Pharmacy were sitting where our candidates are sitting today, with similar hopes and aspirations. One concern that this first graduating class faced that you do not share involved national accreditation. The college received word 5 days before the national board exam that the University of Houston College of Pharmacy had just been awarded national accreditation, which allowed these 41 to sit for the national board exams. What a relief it must have been. The College of Pharmacy was the first University of Houston program to receive national accreditation. I would like to extend a special welcome to our University of Houston College of Pharmacy class of 1972 graduates who are here with us today, both in person and virtually, celebrating their golden anniversary. And finally, I want to welcome our parents, spouses, families, and friends of our graduates, as well as our College of Pharmacy alumni, faculty, staff, and friends. I would like to especially acknowledge the parents and spouses of our graduates. Will the parents and spouses of the class of 2022 please stand? Our graduates sincerely thank you for all your steadfast morale and financial support and your patience and understanding during their time with us here at the university. At this time, I would like to take a moment to update you on the graduation news from our university. A total of 5,917 University of Houston students have qualified to receive their degrees for the spring 2022 semester. This includes 183 UH students receiving doctoral degrees, 379 UH students receiving professional degrees, 1,002 UH students receiving master's degrees, and 4,353 UH students receiving bachelor degrees. And for the College of Pharmacy, 2021-2022 academic year, we have a total of 19 graduates receiving the Doctor of Philosophy degree, 7 graduates receiving the Master of Science degree, and 109 graduates receiving the Doctor of Pharmacy degree. This week, graduates, you are leaving our familiar campus environment that you have grown very accustomed to over the past several years. This campus has provided you an academic environment, one in which you were able to strengthen your knowledge, skills, abilities, attitudes, and values, while also realizing new interests and setting new goals. A professional environment, one in which you were able to make an incredible difference in the lives of your patients. Whether it was during community wellness events where you delivered impactful clinical services to at-risk patients, or during critical acute care advanced pharmacy practice experiences at our world-renowned MD Anderson Cancer Center. A research environment, one in which you supported the discovery and expansion of new knowledge in the areas of basic and clinical sciences. And finally, a social environment, one in which you were able to interact with your professors and fellow healthcare students, making friends and acknowledging mentors that you will keep in touch with and value throughout your long, successful careers. And though you're about to leave this campus environment, rest assured that this transition signifies one more step to achieving your life's goals. At this point, I ask that you take a moment to acknowledge the presence of your professors and thank them for their guidance during your professional education. Will the members of our faculty please stand? On behalf of the faculty, staff, and students of our college, we are truly proud of the class of 2022. Our heartfelt congratulations and best wishes go to each and every one of you. This year, the PharmD class of 2022 has elected a student representative to give a response on behalf of the graduating class. Aaron Montejo has been elected to give that response. Aaron?
Good morning, classmates, faculty, staff, and family and friends. Welcome to the commencement ceremony of the class of 2022. It has been an honor and a pleasure to have served as the Doctor of Pharmacy class president to this wonderful group of individuals. As I reflect on our 4-year journey together, there are many elements that come to mind. The bonds that we have made, the support we provided each other, the memories we will always share. But the one element that stands out the most is resilience. For those of you who are unaware, we were the first class to undergo the newly integrated curriculum. Dr. Coyle would remind us that we are the pioneers paving the way for future University of Houston College of Pharmacy grads, but there were times we felt like guinea pigs. There were times that we felt as if we were drowning, but nothing would stop us from reaching our goals. Not Tropical Storm Imelda that caused us to move our renal exam. Not the broken water main that caused us to go on a water boil for 3 days. Not the winter storm that left most of us without power or water or both. And most importantly, not a global pandemic. During our second year together, we left for spring break. We gave each other hugs, wished each other safe travels, and said, "See you in a week." That week turned into a year and a half. Classes transitioned to Zoom. Life changed for the whole world. But we were in the middle of our cardiovascular module, and the show must go on. In our fourth year, when we saw each other again on our first on-campus day, Dr. Ordonez could not keep us 6 feet apart, no matter how hard she tried. We missed each other. This was our family. Unfortunately, life did not stop during our rigorous education. Some of us have lost loved ones, friends and family members who should be sitting in this very room right now celebrating our achievements today, and I would like to take a brief moment to remember them now. Some of us have experienced other life events, breakups, divorce, health and financial issues. Some of us have even been the victims of theft. Overcoming these obstacles has shown how resilient we are both as a class and as individuals. We leaned on our support system at home. We leaned on each other. We leaned on the incredible faculty whose doors were always open for us. Our journey getting here was definitely challenging, but there were also some wonderful and beautiful events that we shared together. Some of us got married, bought houses, bought Teslas. Some of us even had babies. We share so many great memories together, and I apologize to the audience as some of these examples may only be known to my colleagues. But we learned what the word cumbersome means. We learned how to identify a sugar molecule in functional group analysis. We started Bow Tie Wednesdays. We learned a lot about each other. We laughed together. We cried together. We succeeded together. Throughout the 4 years, we witnessed each other grow into leaders, researchers, advocates, and much more. I could not think of a better group to have undergone the new curriculum and the obstacles we faced. You should all be extremely proud of your graduate today. They have made an impact on all of our lives, our school, and our profession, and I have no doubt they will continue to do so in the future. This chapter may be closing, but I urge you all to remind yourself of the resilience you have shown during your time here and instill these qualities into your next chapter. Whether you are entering the workforce, residency training, a fellowship, or something else entirely, always remind yourself of your skill set and your resiliency in getting this far. This is so due. Congratulations, class of 2022. We did it.
Thank you, Erin, for those excellent remarks. We sincerely appreciate your membership within our college and your response on behalf of your class at this very memorable occasion. In preparation for awarding the Doctor of Philosophy degrees, I invite Assistant Dean Brian Knoll to the podium to announce the names of the candidates. The University of Houston College of Pharmacy offers Doctor of Philosophy degrees in Pharmaceutical Health Outcomes and Policy, Pharmaceutics, and Pharmacology. Today we have 5 individuals in the Pharmaceutical Health Outcomes and Policy discipline and 3 individuals in the Pharmaceutics discipline. On behalf of the faculty of the University of Houston College of Pharmacy, I present these Doctor of Philosophy candidates as having fulfilled all requirements for the Doctor of Philosophy degree. Will all the Doctor of Philosophy candidates please stand? By virtue of the authority vested in me by the people of the state of Texas and the University of Houston System Board of Regents, and on the recommendation of the University of faculty, I now confer upon each of you the respective Doctor of Philosophy degrees for which you have fulfilled all requirements. Congratulations.
At this time, I invite Dr. Chen to the stage to assist Dean Pritchard with the hooding of the first graduate. Graduates, as your names are called, please come forward to be recognized. In pharmaceutical health outcomes and policies, Avian Low, physical and mental health among Mexican-American children and adolescents living on the Texas-Mexico border. Advisor, Dr. Hua Chen. Abhishek Anil Nair, opioid analgesic utilization in a pediatric population with acute pain. Advisor, Dr. Hua Chen. Benjamin Lubing, understanding inadequate care during management of type 2 diabetes mellitus, examining patient and health system factors. Dr. Sujit Sansgary, advisor. Prajetka Pradeep Bazarkar. Adverse outcomes associated with individual cholinesterase inhibitors in older adults with dementia. Advisor, Dr. Rajender Aparasu. Suma Gopinathan, aromatase inhibitors and musculoskeletal symptoms, prevalence, predictors, and impact on adherence and persistence to therapy among older women with early stage HR-positive, HER2-negative breast cancer. Advisor, Dr. Michael Johnson. In pharmaceutics, Ashley Nguyen, pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics of riluzole in acute spinal cord injury patients. Advisor, Dr. Diana S.L. Chow. Wesley Davis Ewer, pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics of riluzole and etoracapsid combination therapy in traumatic brain injury. Advisor, Dr. Diana S.L. Chow. Guanyu Tao, role of drug metabolizing enzymes in cancer drug gastrointestinal toxicity. Advisor, Dr. Romy Gose, hooted by Dr. Chow.
Graduate dissertation advisors, we thank you for a job well done. The College of Pharmacy offers a Master of Science degree in Pharmacy Leadership and Administration. And today we have 6 individuals in the Pharmacy Leadership and Administration discipline. Will the Master of Science candidates please stand? On behalf of the faculty of the University of Houston College of Pharmacy, I present these Master of Science candidates as having fulfilled all requirements for the Master of Science degree. By virtue of the authority vested in me by the people of the state of Texas and the University of Houston System Board of Regents, and on the recommendation of the university faculty, I now confer upon each of you the Master of Science degree for which you have fulfilled all requirements. Congratulations.
At this time, I invite Dr. Kevin Gary to assist Dean Pritchard with hooting of the first candidate. Candidates, as your names are called, please come forward to be recognized. Danielle Michelle Alvarez. Comparison with BD Pyxis 4 Prep and Epic Dispense Prep with gravimetric analysis for production of hazardous compounded sterile preparations at a cancer care center. Advisor, Dr. Kevin Gary. Pooja Shah. Assessing the impact of a unit-based clinical pharmacy model pilot program on antimicrobial use in a level 1 trauma center. Advisor, Dr. Kevin Gary. Nathan Christian Jones. Assessment of an integrated clinical surveillance alert system. Advisor, Dr. Matthew Wannett. Azima C. Nyagu. Implementation and evaluation of a clinical surveillance system in a large quaternary care academic medical center. Advisor, Dr. Divya Varghese. Nia Safar. Impact of unit-based pharmacy technicians in a tertiary academic medical center. Advisor, Dr. Divya Varghese. Kenyana Scott. Optimizing transitions of care pharmacy services by evaluating medication-related readmission risk factors within the heart failure population. Advisor, Dr. Shane Tollison.
Graduate dissertation and thesis advisors, we thank you for a job well done. At this time, I invite Executive Associate Dean Paige Pittman to recognize Doctor of Pharmacy candidates with academic achievements and leadership accomplishments. Dean Pittman.
This morning, we will present several groups of our best and brightest students. Will all current members of the military and all veterans among our graduating class or in the audience please stand and receive our applause and heartfelt appreciation for your service to our great nation. Thank you. Both the University of Houston and the profession of pharmacy recognize high academic achievement and leadership. The University of Houston bestows academic honors upon those students who have demonstrated consistent excellence in classroom and laboratory performance. The three designations of academic honors are summa cum laude with highest honors, requires a 3.9 to a 4.0 GPA on a scale of 1 to 4. Magna cum laude with high honors requires a 3.7 to a 3.89 GPA. And cum laude with honors requires a 3.5 to a 3.69 GPA. Today, we have graduates in all of these categories. 13 U of H students are graduating summa cum laude, an extraordinarily difficult ranking to achieve. Will the following students graduating summa cum laude please stand and be recognized? We will ask the audience to please hold their applause until all students are acknowledged, and I'm going to call you out one by one. So stay standing until the last one. Erin Rose Anderson, Tiffany Chove, Mario Alberton Gutierrez, Leah Kobasi, Jason Levy, Natalie Grace Maxwell, Kush P. Madashia, Summer Kamala Nasser, Dominique Nguyen, Michelle Ann Nguyen, Monica Halan Nguyen, Elizabeth Ashley Page Peck, JC Trong, please be seated. In addition, this year, 4 exceptional pharmacy students are graduating with a perfect 4.0 grade point average. And these students hold the title of banner bearer within our college commencement ceremony. You probably recognize them leading their graduates out and carrying the banner. As I call your name, please stand and be recognized. Leah H. Kobasi, Jason Levy, Kush Parrish Modashia, and Summer Kamala Nasser. Please be seated. Graduating magna cum laude with high honors, Hiba Al-Shakli, Haneen Ibrahim Al-Sharoof, Matilda Elizabeth Akua Ngoa, Faith Awuniyi, Amanda Jean Bradley, Megan Taylor Brenton, Joshua Chang, Madison Clark, Ha Do, Lillian Eden Ung, Suede M. El-Shahimi, Veronica Michelle Gordon, Kelsey Hooker, Duck Win, Ricky Win Fan, Gina M. Joseph, Emily S. Kiefer, Chelsea McLean, Jeff Christopher Mazzoni, Daniel Christopher Musa, Charlotte Wynn, Teresa Tonlam Wynn, Train Knockbow Wynn, Jungwa Park, Varsha Potter, Christy William Sod, Grant G. Saloncoat, Shannon Lee Smith, Blair Sosha, Trang Von Tran, Catherine Joan Wong, Arij Habsib Zahib, Sean H. Zaidi. Congratulations, magna cum laude. Please be seated. Graduating cum laude with honors, Masa Barag Abdo, Helen Akinwala, Aliyah Altay, Atra Azad, James Wiley Barnes IV, Ndidi Cassie Chiedo, Jessica Gonzalez, Jessica Ha, Gracie Carolina Gerizano, Astha Kapley, Tiffany Kong, Soyoung Lee, Lamise Adele Lubani, An In Liu, Erin Michelle Monteo, Trang Ton Nguyen, Anne Mora Omundi, Derek J. Rodriguez, Jeanette Rodriguez, Ebenezer Samiri, Stephen Patrick Smith, Michael L. Su, Raphael Sustaita, Dina Thatch, Karishma M. Thakar, Lisa True, Harriet R. Wu, Idris Mohammed Yusuf. Please be seated. The Rokai Society is a national honor academic organization. Membership is by invitation only and is based on high academic achievement in the professional program. Will all the candidates and the Golden Cougars who are members of Rokai Academic Honor Society please stand to be recognized? Please refer to page 25 of your program for a list of individual names, and these are indicated with a superscript 4 after the graduate's name. You may be seated. I now recognize the members of Phi Lambda Sigma, the National Pharmacy Leadership Honor Society. Membership is by invitation only, and the Society recognizes and promotes quality leadership in the profession of pharmacy. Will all of the candidates and the Golden Cougars who are members of Phi Lambda Sigma Leadership Honor Society please stand to be recognized? Individual names are listed on page 25 of your program with a superscript 5 by the graduate's name. Please be seated.
Thank you, Dean Pittman. In preparation for the hooding of the Doctor of Pharmacy degree candidates, I invite Assistant Dean Kimberly Wynn to the podium to announce the names of our candidates. Today we have 108 candidates receiving the Doctor of Pharmacy degree. Will the candidates receiving the Doctor of Pharmacy degree please stand? On behalf of the faculty of the University of Houston College of Pharmacy, I present these candidates as having fulfilled all requirements for the Doctor of Pharmacy degree. By virtue of the authority vested in me by the people of the state of Texas and the University of Houston System Board of Regents, and on the recommendation of the university faculty, I now confer upon each of you the Doctor of Pharmacy degree, for which you have fulfilled all requirements. Congratulations.
At this time, I invite Department Chair Dr. Ashok Kumar, Assistant Department Chair Dr. Michael Johnson, and Class of 2022 Faculty Classmeister Dr. Austin De La Cruz to come to the stage to assist Dean Pritchard in the hooding of the candidates. Families, this is a very special time for you and your graduate. The candidates will walk in the aisle, so we ask that you remain seated at this time. I will call the candidates in groups of 3. We ask that you hold your applause until all 3 names have been called so each individual name can be heard. Doctor of Pharmacy candidates, as your name is called, please come forward to be recognized. Dr. Ariba Abbas, Dr. Masa Barak Abdo, Dr. Amania Youssef Ekman. Dr. Helen Omobamibo Akinwala, Dr. Hiba El-Sheikhli, Dr. Haneen Ibrahim El-Shrif. Dr. Aliyah Altay, Dr. Erin Rose Anderson, Dr. Matilda Engwa. Dr. Faith Tolua Tope Awuniyi, Dr. Atra Azad, Dr. Esther Bay. Dr. James Wiley Barnes IV, Dr. Amanda Jean Bradley, Dr. Megan Taylor Britton. Dr. Crystal Elaine Bussey, Dr. Joshua Chang, Dr. Judy Chen. Dr. Ndidi Cassie Chiedu, Dr. Tiffany Chove, Dr. Madison Taylor Clark. Dr. Ha Do, Dr. Lillian Edan Yung, Dr. Ucheche Ebinama. Dr. Suwad Mohammed El Shahimi, Dr. Carla Alejandra Elias, Dr. Darlington Uwobosei Feinbone. Dr. Milan Lenore Fisher, Dr. John Cullen Friday, Dr. Sarab Gunna in absentia, Dr. Jessica Gonzalez. Dr. Veronica Michelle Gordon, Dr. Mario Alberto Gutierrez, Dr. Jessica Ha. Dr. Yung Han, Dr. Sapanari He, Dr. Kelsey Lauren Hooker. Dr. Rifath Humara, Dr. Duck Huynh, Dr. Ricky Winfan. Dr. Gracie Carolina Jerezano, Dr. Gina Miriam Joseph, Dr. Asta Kafle. Dr. Emily Kiefer, Dr. Tiffany Kong, Dr. Leah Kobasi. Dr. Jameson Kuriakos, Dr. Suyang Lee, Dr. Magnus Legama. Dr. Jason Nathaniel Levy, Dr. Lamise Adele Lubani, Dr. An Liu. Dr. Natalie Grace Maxwell, Dr. Matthew Wayne McKinley, Dr. Chelsea Marie McLean. Dr. Michael McSpadden, Dr. Jocelyn Alejandra Mendoza, Dr. Jeffrey Christopher Mazzoni. Dr. Kush Paresh Modasha, Dr. Erin Michelle Montejo, Dr. Daniel Musa. Dr. Summer Kamle Naser, Dr. Bao Zui Nguyen, Dr. Charlotte Nguyen. Dr. Zim Mia Nguyen, Dr. Dominic Vu Nguyen, Dr. Joseph Christ Nguyen. Dr. Julie Nguyen, Dr. Kaylee Olin Nguyen, Dr. Michael Dai Nguyen. Dr. Michelle Ann Nguyen, Dr. Monica Nguyen, Dr. Teresa Thanh Lam Nguyen. Dr. Nguyễn Ngọc Bảo Trân, Dr. Trang Thanh Nguyễn, Dr. Ann Mora Omundi. Dr. Ngozi Ifeanwa Ozumba, Dr. Chung-Hwa Park, Dr. Elizabeth Ashley Page Peck. Can I say not yet? Not yet, sir. Dr. Rustin Peavy House, Dr. Varsha Podar, Dr. Sama Rahimi. Dr. Saba Raja, Dr. Derek Rodriguez, Dr. Jeanette Rodriguez. Dr. Christy Saad, Dr. Ebenezer Semere, Dr. Grant Gary Sealoncoat. Dr. Shannon Lee Smith, Dr. Stephen Patrick Smith Jr., Dr. Blair Sosha. Dr. Michael Lee Su, Dr. Raphael Sustaita, Dr. Kim Thien Ta. Dr. Dina Thatch, Dr. Karishma Mukesh Tucker, Dr. Tuan Nguyen Jun. Dr. Zhang Vuhung Jun, Dr. Trang Tran, Dr. Nguyen Jun. Dr. Lisa True, Dr. J.C. Trung, Dr. Catherine Joan Wang. Dr. Sally Wang, Dr. Harriet Wu, Dr. Joshua Wu. Dr. Michelle Singh Yu, Dr. Idris Mohammed Youssef, Dr. Arij Hasib Zahid. Dr. Sean Zaidi, Dr. Sada Nidal Zidat, Dr. Anahita Zaini.
We would now like to recognize our class of 1972 graduates and present them with a special 50th anniversary certificate. Congratulations on this very special occasion. Your dedication to the profession of pharmacy and support of our beloved college throughout the past 50 years is remarkable. We are very proud of you, alumni of this college, and you serve as an inspiration to today's graduates.
As your name is called, please come forward to receive your Golden Cougar certificate. Robert Duhan. Ben Fry. Patsy Yard Glansberg. Larry McClarity. Richard McNerlin could not be in attendance. Gary Pillars. Doctor of Pharmacy graduates, would you please stand and join me in taking the oath of a pharmacist? Please open your diploma and repeat after me. I promise to devote myself to a lifetime of service to others through the profession of pharmacy. In fulfilling this vow, I will consider the welfare of humanity and relief of suffering my primary concerns. I will apply my knowledge, experience, and skills to the best of my ability to assure optimal outcomes for my patients. I will respect and protect all personal and health information entrusted to me. I will accept the lifelong obligation to improve my professional knowledge and competence. I will hold myself and my colleagues to the highest principles of our profession's moral, ethical, and legal conduct. I will embrace and advocate changes that improve patient care. I will utilize my knowledge, skills, experiences, and values to prepare the next generation of pharmacists. I take these vows voluntarily with the full realization of the responsibility with which I am entrusted by the public. Thank you, graduates. On behalf of the University of Houston College of Pharmacy faculty, I welcome you to the profession. Please be seated. We now have a short alumni video for you all to enjoy.
Greetings, graduates. Today is a great day for you and a great day for your family and friends that helped you get here. I can assure you that in 20, 30, or 40 years, you will look back on today with a fondness and pride that has rivaled few times in your life. I'm here today to remind you that your family just got a lot bigger. More than 300,000 University of Houston alumni have come before you, and over 175,000 live right here in the greater Houston area. And by graduating today, you're now a member of the University of Houston Alumni Association. Be sure to visit our website at houstonalumni.com so you can check out everything we have to offer you. Our goal is to make sure that UH continues to be relevant in your life each and every day. Maybe you've already secured employment or are just looking to stay connected to your fellow Cougars. Well, then join us at a tailgate, flip through the UH magazine, or network with your fellow alumni online at Cougs Connect. But whatever you do, I encourage you to be a visible, active Cougar. Think of yourselves as brothers and sisters on the Cougar family tree. Watch after each other, take care of each other. Be sure to affix those alumni bumper stickers to your car, show off your class ring, and be sure to wear red on Friday so we can keep Houston red. But most importantly, do me this favor. Hang your diploma nice and high in your office so all the Longhorns, Bears, Aggies, and Owls who work for you can see where you got your world-class education. Be proud of what you've accomplished because we're certainly proud of you. Congratulations again, and go Cougs!
Thank you, Dean Pittman. Thank you all for attending the 2022 commencement ceremony at the University of Houston College of Pharmacy. And once again, heartfelt congratulations to our graduates and Golden Cougars. To close this ceremony, please rise as you are able for the alma mater. Following the alma mater, the platform party will recess and the commencement exercises for the University of Houston College of Pharmacy will adjourn. Please remain standing until the platform party and graduates have departed.